Welcome to Macro Minds and Micro Lives. I'm your host, Kaleem.
And this is your host, Goofy.
So, we came up with this idea of macro minds and micro lives that macro minds is a very vague term in which Goofy and I were discussing that macro can mean a lot of things, जैसे कि आपकी geopolitics, your controversies, your daily trends, your go to coffee shops, and then साथ साथ micro lives can mean the daily realities we face. Do you agree उस पे साथ?
Oh, yes, I agree with it. And I think to discuss all of these and to keep up with what's happening around the world, what's happening near your area, what's happening in Lahore, what's happening in DHA, it's very important.
But nahi, it won't be till DHA Lahore. It's
Uh, uh,
way more than that.
yes, obviously, I don't give a fuck, but like it's gonna be around the world. और हम करेंगे गपशप करेंगे. Let's see where it goes.
But daily stories, daily, the impacts we have
I
on
think
others.
I think the daily would be a bit hard, but we can try.
Nahi, no,
There's always
no,
ways.
no, no. What I'm trying to say is कि the daily realities we face and
Oh yeah.
ये सबके ऊपर
हाँ,
जरूरी
the
नहीं है.
daily realities जो है ना, हाँ.
हाँ, but साथ ही साथ अब what do you feel about this? Like, what do you think you can talk इस podcast पे
I
especially?
can talk about anything. I think I'm the best talker. I'm the best yapper. You can call it. You can call me yapper. I'm the best yapper. I can yap about anything.
But what conversation excites you the most?
Something about history. That's what excites me. Something that I know a lot about, or something that I don't know a lot about, and I like to listen to it. And this is what I think our viewers would enjoy the most. That if they are, if they're not aware of something, they would be made aware by our knowledge.
No, for me, it is geopolitics
Oh yeah,
and music.
music. To be honest, it won't be a surprise, but I'm not much of a music guy. लेकिन लेट्स सी म्यूजिक के अलावा आप मुझे बता सकते हैं और म्यूजिक के बारे में मैं बहुत कुछ
नहीं, तुम्हारा म्यूजिक टेस्ट बहुत शिट है ब्रो. तुम्हारा म्यूजिक टेस्ट बहुत शिट है.
क्या कर सकते हैं.
डू यू वांट टू डीप डाइव एकदम से या फिर टेक इट स्लो?
लेट्स गो डीप
व्हाट्स द लाइक आई वुड से कि
गो डीप और गो होम
एग्जैक्टली. बट चलो मैं एक सवाल है.
ओह श्योर.
ऐसा क्या था an event or something that has shaped who you really are?
A lot of things that has happened personally have shaped me in a very
No,
different
but
way.
some one thing that really shaped you and made you face reality.
That is a deep question. Uh, for me, just trusting people. I think when you trust, you need to put your trust on the right people. And I have realized this in my life that I have put trust on the wrong people that were not the right people. So I think that would be my weakness as well.
Somehow I can relate to this a lot. क्योंकि that's what happened with me, trusting someone 10 साल से,
हाँ.
and 10 साल आप उठ बैठ रहे हो एक साथ, and 10 साल बाद that person just stops giving a fuck because of someone and someone who he just met. You get my point?
I get your point.
But I feel like that is really, really fucked up that you would, say goodbye to your 10 साल की दोस्ती and someone who you just met like 2 months ago.
I think everybody faces that in their personal
नहीं
life.
bro, ऐसी बात नहीं है. Like, what I would say that something that has impacted me is also trusting people, but at the same time regretting it as at the same time. But ये सिनेरियो इस तरह का था कि जहाँ मुझे रिग्रेट फील ही नहीं हुआ,
अच्छा, रिग्रेट नहीं फील हुआ आपको. आपको मतलब फीलिंग्स क्या थी, मतलब अगर आपको रिग्रेट नहीं हुआ, so would you do, if you had another chance, another life, would you do that all over again?
I would.
You would, because you enjoyed that 10 years,
हाँ,
but you didn't like how it ended.
no. What I feel like is the what I've faced throughout my life, I feel like things don't affect me that much like they affect others. I mean, मैं ये नहीं कहना चाह रहा कि सबको उसी तरीके से अफेक्ट करती नहीं, हर किसी को डिफरेंट. कुछ लोगों को मेरी तरह अब जाके चीज़ें उस तरह अफेक्ट नहीं करती होंगी बिकॉज ऑफ what they have faced, but what I feel like is कि it it's a very shitty feeling कि you can't feel things. आप उस स्टेज पे आ गए जहाँ पर आप फील ही नहीं कर रहे.
हाँ.
But apart from that, I feel like what's going on these days is way more fucked up.
Uh, what's going on? I want the scoop, give me the scoop.
No, I mean not just
Or give everyone the scoop. Everybody's looking at someone's life, stalking their Insta, stalking their Snap location, where they are, what they're doing. And I think this is the world we are in.
You want me to talk about the controversial stuff or how today's generation is like?
I think the general idea of today's generation, I believe like criticizing that is just
Chalo.
pointless.
I'll tell you
Pointless.
something. I'll tell you something. Today's generation is like if I reply late to someone, that would mean I'm like really busy. ठीक है, and I feel like that is really fucked up. If like I have my phone right here, ठीक है, if someone fucking messages me, I would reply to them in an instant if I'm free at that moment. If I'm not, चलो ठीक है, टाइम लग जाता है, बट ये क्या तरीका है कि आप 6-8 घंटे बाद रिप्लाई कर रहे हो या एक ही दिन बाद रिप्लाई करो. ओ माय गॉड, आई एम सो सॉरी, मैसेज नहीं देखा.
To be honest, I find the whole idea of texting fucked up. In my opinion, text shouldn't exist. That's everybody has their own
क्या
opinion.
बात कर रहा है?
I cannot rely my feelings, how I feel in text.
नहीं वो
That's
तो
one thing.
हाँ वो तो है, बट आजकल it's I would blame us, to be very honest, how we are.
Yes.
कि without text you can't meet the other person.
I think calling would be a best option. Just give them one call. Be like, if they're free, they'll give you a call back. If they care about you, they'll give you a call back. Otherwise,
नहीं ब्रो, मैंने देखा आजकल लोग ना जेलसी के अंदर फटे कर आते हैं फजूल में, ठीक है. They just want something out of it, and I would call those people very chaotic people. And I'm just gonna keep this whole episode of ours very random.
I think every episode should be a random, but
नहीं,
like later on,
because no, like if you go to our page, ठीक है, it clearly states that unfiltered.
So it's gonna be unfiltered.
Unfiltered, bro. जो मर्जी बोलो.
By the way, I gotta be honest with the audience. Today, just Kaleem told me, you'll be my co-host, and I was like, fuck yeah, why not? Who gives a shit? So, मेरा जो opinion है, you have to be spontaneous with life.
No, it's not also about being spontaneous. It's also like how you see the other person. Now, I've known Goofy since the past 2 years.
Yes, roundabout.
Around about 2 years. ठीक है? And we've gone through shit.
A lot of shit.
I could name many people in this list. ठीक है?
We want names, no names.
No names, but we've gone through shit. ठीक है? And I know that this guy would have my back no matter what happens. If I call him at 3 fucking a.m., he'll be there.
By the way, we do night shifts, so it's gonna be 3 a.m.
It's fucking 4 a.m. right now.
4 a.m. and we're doing this shit for you,
So
give us a like, follow, and I'm not gonna do this bullshit thing. Give us a like, follow, but I'm gonna do it, So yeah.
जरूरी हो जाता है.
जरूरी फिर भीख तो मांगनी है. भीख मांगोगे नहीं तो मिलेगी कहाँ से? So
What do you like? तुम्हें क्या लगता है इस पॉडकास्ट के थ्रू तुम क्या कन्वे कर सकते हो लोगों को?
I think it'd be a learning experience, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा से एक इस content creation की journey में आना चाहता था. It was always a dream. It's everybody's dream, to be honest.
I mean, this podcast is my dream, bro.
It's everybody's dream, like to be an influencer, to have an audience that listen to you.
खबरदार,
नहीं.
तुमने मुझे उस कैटेगरी में जलील किया.
To have an audience, what is influencer? Where you influence people that they listen to you.
एक बात बता, आजकल के influencers को could you really say कि they're influencers?
Depending on the audience. You know, if you are just attention grabbing, let me give you an example. There is a, like, you know, very cringe stuff that comes on TikTok, on Insta, on your feed, and they consider themselves as influencers as well. You know, and then you look at Muro, the content that Muro shoots, or the content that
Irfan
Irfan
Junejo.
Junejo. If a brand is sponsoring Irfan Junejo, that has, like, let's suppose, I don't have any idea or numbers in my head, let's suppose he gets 1 million views, and there is another person, the attention grabbing person,
हाँ
but he gets 10 million views. I think the brands more focus on the person that gets like around
आई फील लाइक आजकल
1 million.
आजकल लोग इतना कंटेंट को नहीं देखते, समझते नहीं है। कुछ शट हो रहा होगा, वो देखेंगे, उसको व्यूज मिलेंगे।
बस वो एक कंट्रोवर्सी बनानी है।
हाँ
और मेरे ख्याल से बेस्ट अटेंशन ग्रैबिंग सिचुएशन ही है कि आप किसी के साथ कंट्रोवर्सी बना लो।
कंट्रोवर्सी के अलग भी यार, पीपल जस्ट डू स्टूपिड रैंडम शिट फॉर अटेंशन। अग्री टू डिसएग्री ब्रो।
एग्री टू डिसएग्री।
मेक सेंस। हाँ
ठीक है।
बट उसके अलावा भी मैंने ये पॉडकास्ट शुरू किया इन द सेंस कि व्हाट आई हैव एन आइडिया फॉर दिस इज कि तेरे मेरे तो लगते रहेंगे, हम लोग के अपने तो चलते ही रहेंगे। बिकॉज आई फील लाइक कि हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा गेस, ऐसा नहीं गेस नहीं आएंगे, ऑफ कोर्स देयर विल बी पीपल ओवर, but at the same time what I would want is to have a one-on-one discussion of how things are going, how things are, what we're going to talk about. Because I think मेरा simple है, गाने, caffeine, geopolitics, controversies.
Geopolitics. Let's talk about some geopolitics.
Yeah.
Let's go a little deep. Huh?
Huh.
That sounds wrong, but don't think it that way. Okay, so what about Epstein file? What's your opinion? Like, just a general opinion, not on a specific thing or a specific person that is in the Epstein file.
You know, I was reading this post the other day and it said that the Epstein files were released to show people कि we are that powerful कि हमारे नाम भी आ गए हैं, but we are still untouchable.
I think the West, my whole opinion was that the West is the one place. West, you know, West, I mean America, the whole of Europe. You know what I mean by West. The West is one place where you have some accountability. You know, there was a general perception. I'm not saying it was because of something, but it was a general perception because what do you have in China? There's no information coming out of China.
There's no leaks, bro, no leaks.
No leaks. So it's
Safe and secured.
safe and secured. What about Russia? There's nothing about Russia.
Safe and
You know,
secured.
the whole west of the world, and then there's third world countries. We're not going to go into that. But the west of the world, where that's where you get, you know, that's where you get actually accountability. That's what was general perception, and I think that perception is fading, and that's why the China is going to take over.
No, it's more like people had trust in the system over there.
And now the trust is gone.
The trust is gone. There are so many people named in those files, but no one has been held accountable.
I don't think they will ever be. Just the way, you know, the government is doing its shit.
What do you feel about the Ukraine and Russia war?
I think Ukraine and Russia, I think Ukraine got what it deserved. That sounds too harsh. I know
It
that.
does.
I know that. But my simple and general opinion about Ukraine is that yes, you did do that. Like, you did try to get into European Union, which was the wonderful thing that you tried, because everybody wants to get into the European Union. But you relied too much and gave up your nuclear program. You gave up your nuclear program back in 90s or in 2000, I'm not sure exactly, but they gave up their nuclear program just to get included into, and they were like, oh, the Western world is going to have our back. And guess what?
No one's having their back, bro.
No one.
I mean, do you know who their president was?
Oh, he was a comedian, right?
He was a comedian.
Oh, look at the world right now. You know, there's Donald Trump. He's also, you can call him a clown.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can call him a clown or a funny guy or a comedian. You can call him anything. He's like multiple things.
Yeah, for sure. So Zelensky, Trump.
Imran Khan is a fucking cricketer. And he was our prime minister. And then the Modi, obviously a chai wala.
Doesn't make
That's
sense.
kind of an insult, in a bad way. But
Mm,
okay, whatever.
but at the same time, you never know who would be in power because I'm not sure if I should say this, but it's more like you're being controlled. You're being put into power, not by the people, but by a system that system has never been disclosed. People don't talk about it. People don't say things about it. But those are the people that put you in power and, control you. What to say, what not to say.
There is a system. There is, there's a lot of talk about deep state. I don't know if you know what deep state is.
I'm not sure.
Okay, let me give you an idea. It's a conspiracy. It's not much of a conspiracy, to be honest. It's kind of true. So Hillary Clinton, I don't know if you know about her.
I do.
Yes, she is, I think, what was his husband's name? Her husband's name. I forgot. Bill Clinton. Yeah, Bill Clinton. So Bill Clinton was, and Hillary Clinton stated in the parliament or in Congress that Pakistan is a deep state. And Pakistan is the very open example of deep state. What is deep state? There's select few group of peoples that control all of the country
ठीक है.
in some certain way, and they don't have any official power on the table. Like a prime minister or an army chief, like everybody has their own specific powers, right? Army chief controls the army. Then there is then there is like prime minister. He has his own certain powers. Everybody has their set and rules defined for them, but they don't own anything. They don't have any specific post, but they control the whole system. And you can see it in Pakistan. The army controls everything, right?
Yeah.
So you can call the army in itself a deep state. A state within a state is a deep state.
Oh, okay. And
So,
that's not a controversy or
no, now
conspiracy.
that used to be a conspiracy, because back in the day, nobody used to believe. Back when Obama was president, nobody used to believe. Back when Bush was a president, nobody used to believe that US is actually a deep state. But now, the moment you look at what is happening in Palestine, what is happening with Israel, how they just blindly suppose, like, without any questions, before there used to be some questions, before there used to be a mask,
Yeah.
there used to be a cover up, they at least tried. But now, like, they don't give, nobody gives a fuck. Now they're just doing it out in the open.
That just makes me wonder. End times are near.
Oh, 2026 में दुनिया खत्म है bro. लेकिन अब let's see अभी 2026 चल ही रहा है.
2026 चल रहा है, खैर अभी मिड नहीं आया, बट व्हाट आई फील लाइक इसके काफ़ी कुछ उसमें आ गया था एप्स्टीन फाइल्स के अंदर ही.
बहुत, आई थिंक बहुत कुछ आया है और बहुत कुछ नहीं भी आया. देयर इज जब आप इमेजिन करो, आप इतने पावरफुल हो, आपके पास इतना पैसा है कि आपकी हर चीज़ एक्सेस में, एवरी सिंगल थिंग इज इन विद इन अ हैंड्स रीच ऑफ यू. अपने महंगी से महंगी, लाइक नथिंग इज कॉस्टिंग एनीथिंग. देन यू जस्ट गो परवर्ट. आप परवर्ट बन जाते हो. तब आप कहते हो कोई एक्साइट ही नहीं कर रहे.
हाँ.
अब एक्साइट करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? अंडर-एज गर्ल्स.
दैट इज जस्ट वेरी रैंडम. ठीक है, अब बहुत रैंडम है. ठीक है, और क्या कहते हैं, आई वुड से कि आप लोग बहुत डिफरेंट चीज़ों में पार्टेक कर रहे हो जस्ट टू एक्सप्लोर योर सेल्फ मोर. जो मुझे एक आइडिया इस चीज़ से मिला है कि आप सिर्फ आप अपने ध्यान, यू जस्ट गेटिंग डिस्ट्रैक्टेड, यू जस्ट डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग योर सेल्फ by doing all of this that we have seen in the files. I mean, underage girls, eating kids, doing.
I think eating kids, well, there might be a thing, but it's like, it's not kind of proven, but it's not as far-fetched as we would have thought back in like 2010.
Acha, what about the rituals, satanic rituals?
I think they are a bunch of evil peoples, but I think Epstein was not one of them, though. That's my opinion.
How can you say that, though?
How can I? So how about this? We actually, we stop this right now, and we save some for the next podcast. Next week we're gonna be there. We're gonna be here.
We're gonna be
talking
here.
about
A lot more to discuss. I feel
Oh, yeah.
like this one was never really scripted. ठीक है? Because I don't believe in scripts. कि क्या questionnaires होने चाहिए क्या नहीं. It's just gonna be me and Goofy from time to time talking about things. But साथ साथ we'll have guests over. But वो मैं सोच रहा हूँ वो मैं कम रखूँ because I feel like Goofy and I vibe so much. ठीक है सॉरी वाइब सो मच कि हम लोग काफ़ी कुछ कर सकते हैं काफ़ी गपशप लगा सकते हैं आपस में ही बैठ के बट फॉर दिस टाइम
That's it.
दैट्स इट
That's it. We'll see you next week.
विल सी यू नेक्स्ट वीक
Take care.
एंड टेक केयर साथ
Bye-bye.
ही साथ we're out mic drops